Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in last class, we have completed that reading, understanding, and question answer of lesson number 12. In today's class, we are going to complete remaining all the activities like activity number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all the activity remaining activity today we are going to complete. So let's start class. At the beginning of our class, I am going to discuss one quotation which is said by Swami Vivekanand. So let's understand first and then after we will continue with the activities. So here that quotation it is given, it is related to our chapter, so because of that I want to discuss. It is given here, God gave me nothing I wanted, He gave me everything I needed. So now you can think about these words, whatever it is said by Swami Vivekanand. He is saying that God gave me nothing I wanted, whatever I wish I want, that God has not given to me. Okay, He gave me everything I needed, means whatever I was in need, all the things I have got, but I did not get the things which I want. Okay, so now you can understand that suppose at your home that your parents are there, so when you are demanding anything from your parent, do you think all the times your parent is fulfilling your desires and whatever your wish is there? No, because desires and wish can be anything, and our parents they don't provide us whatever things are not needed to us. In the same manner, God is also like our father, everyone's father. So what he's doing, he's giving the things according to our need. Whatever we need in our life, that things God will provide you. But all the things whatever your desire is there, so that all the things God can't provide you. Okay, because he can provide you but he will not provide you. Okay, so this thing is there here, so it's very clear that means whatever things we need, all the things God is already given us. Okay, we don't need anything from God. Whatever things we need, without asking he is giving us. Okay, so that is here given. So we must have trust in God always, we must have faith on God. Okay, so this is the meaning of this quotation. So now let's start our class. So at first we are going to discuss activity number 3. In activity number 3 it is given that now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answers. Now here some exercise is given. Now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. You will circle the answer. So first one it is given, to fall short means. To fall short means. First one it is given, to not grow tall enough. No, this will be not meaning according to the chapter. In the lesson what is mean by the to fall short means. In the lesson you have read that Mr. Mulenga he is suggesting, he is saying to Chisimba that you have to think carefully about how to earn money for your other expenses. Okay, and if at the last if you fall short, then I can lend you something. So here it means it is talking about the amount. Okay, Chisimba is going to earn for his study, for other expenses like whatever he will spend for the study purpose, the amount he need, that he want to earn. And that Mr. Mulenga he is suggesting, he is explaining that you have to think carefully about that how you can earn this money, and at the last if you fall short some amount, so I can lend you something. So that it is given, to fall short means. So first one it will be not there, to not grow tall enough. Now second one it is given, to trip over something small. What is the trip? Means it is saying that trip over something small. So this will be not here meaning. Okay, trip means, trip over means like something is there on that we fall on, like water is that on, you have tripped over on the water means you fall down. So here it will be not that to trip over something small. The last one, it is given to almost have enough of something but not quite. You are having almost enough. Almost means about to enough means like you are going to complete it. You are having almost enough of something but not quite, not complete. So this will be the to fall short means C1 will be the right answer. Okay. Now the second one, it is given Jisimba says that he will see what he can do. This means that Jisimba is saying in that paragraph, after listening all the suggestions that Rose has given also suggestion. So after listening all the suggestions, Jisimba is saying that you have given the good suggestions. So I will see what I can do. So what does this mean? That see what he can do. Okay. So first one option, it is given he will try to think of something to do. He will try to think of something to do. I think this first one will be the answer. Let's see the other options also. He will watch himself for a few days. No. He will think about his talents. No. So first one will be the answer. He will try to think of something to do. Means whatever suggestion he has got, according to that suggestion, he will try to think that what he can do. Okay. So the first one will be the answer, second. Okay. Now activity number 3 is over. So we are coming to the activity number 4. So activity number 4, it is given your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. So here some words are given which is already used in the lesson. So all those words already I have explained you all these words. So these words you have to make sentence. Okay, from each word one sentence you have to make. So first word, it is given participate. So it is very easy words, participate. Like in the lesson you have seen that Musonda is participating. Okay, Musonda participates in that first aid training course. In the same manner you have to make sentence of participate. That you can make sentence, I am going to participate in quiz competition. You can make sentence like that. Different competitions are always it is happening in our school. So you make any sentence that I am going to participate in 100-meter race. Okay. So like that you can make sentence. Second one, it is given deep. You are knowing the deep meaning. You can say that the well is so deep. Okay, or otherwise you may make sentence about the sea, that ocean, that the Pacific Ocean is so deep. Okay, like that you make sentence. Now the next one, it is given gently. So already the meaning of gently you are knowing. Gently means softly. Okay, so you may make sentence that wind is blowing gently. Okay, or you may make another sentence also that the mother is touching his child gently. Okay, or you can make other sentence like in that lesson it was given that at first Musonda was cleaning the that cut, that wound of this Godwin first roughly, then after she starts cleaning gently. Okay, softly. So like that any sentence can be made from here. Okay, now next word, it is given lend. Lend means to give something. Okay, I can lend you my pen for some time. Or you can ask that, can you lend me your pen for some time? Okay, like that you can make sentence. Next word, it is given invitations. It is invitation, not one is not there, more than one it is there, invitations. Okay, that you can make sentence, the school has distributed all the invitations to the students. Like what is happening, like many a times that any competition is there, like annual program is there. So what is happening, school is distributing the invitations to the students. So like that you can make sentence, invitations, the school is going to distribute invitations to all the students. The next one is that message. Message, you are knowing message, that I am going to send a message to my friend. Okay, like that you can make one sentence. Then provides. Okay, so you may make sentence that so many sentence can be made from provides. So one sentence I am making you for you, that carrot provides vitamin A. You have read in the science, no? Science, that carrot, what it is giving us, it provides us vitamin A. Or you may make sentence, the tree provides oxygen to us. Okay. Next word, it is given hurt. Okay, that what is happening, that walk properly, otherwise you may get hurt. Okay, in playground don't play roughly, otherwise you may get hurt. Okay, so in that manner you may make sentence of hurt. Or you may make sentence, I got hurt in my leg while playing. Next word, it is that wraps. Wrap means to cover something. Okay, Mohan is going to wrap his books with a newspaper. Okay, or you may make sentence that Ram is going to wrap the gift. Okay, in that manner different sentence can be made from wraps. The last word, it is given relatives. So you may say, make sentence that I have so many relatives. Or you may say that my relatives is going to come on my birthday. Okay, another that kind of sentence can be made. So everyone will make one sentence from each word. So this is activity number 4. And now activity number 5 you will complete yourself in the book. It is very easy. It is asking to fill in the blanks with these words only, whatever we have discussed. Now the activity number 6 we are reaching. Activity number 6, it is given, make a list of things you think Chisimba could do to earn money for school. Because Chisimba, he wants to earn money for school, that he want to spend money because his parent has not having the money. Okay, so Chisimba want to study, so he need money. So here, so because of that, Chisimba is thinking of some of the ways that what he can do to earn money. So now you can make some list that what Chisimba should do to earn money according to your understanding. If you could be at the place of Chisimba, what do you think you could do? So that you have to make here list, make a list of things you think Chisimba could do to earn money for school. Okay, like some suggestions I am giving you here, answers you can think and you can write more. Like some suggestions can be there, Chisimba may teach some students. Okay, other can be there, Chisimba may deliver newspaper to the at morning. Chisimba can deliver at morning the newspapers. Okay, some suggestions this can be there, and some other suggestion can be also you can make. Okay, so in this manner this activity number 6 is going to complete, and now we have completed this chapter successfully. Okay, so this is all for today, students. Now today's home assignment, the today's homework. First one, already we have completed the question answer of lesson number 12 in last class. So today you are going to learn the question and answer of lesson 12 nicely. Second homework, it is that complete activity 3, 5 and 6 of lesson 12 in your book. Whatever activities just now we have discussed, activity number 3, 4, And 6, this all activity you are going to complete in your book. Okay, and the last homework it is given, complete activity 4 in your copy. That activity number 4 just now we have discussed, that make the sentences, so that you are going to do in your copy. Okay, so this is all for today's homework. Now class is going to over. Thank you students. Thank you everyone.